What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show y'all how I made $250 trading the Nasdaq. Bro, sorry. This is like the fifth fucking time. Bro, I say it crashes on me, bro. I'm about to lose my shit. Like, if anybody knows about cameras or shit like that, please tell me how. Or like knows about filming YouTube videos, please get with me, bro. I'm tired of this shit crashing, man. I'll be like 5 minutes, 10 minutes deep into the video too, so it's even more fucking annoying. But I'm gonna just do quick recap. No, I don't need 24 hour. I forget it has to be 24 hour. Keep putting daily. Okay, on NQ. Today in the morning, we were trading inside this bearish daily gap. So I was just kind of at first I really wanted to see what price was gonna do before anything else. Because obviously if it respects it, probably looking at a bearish week, or like, yeah, we could be looking at a reversal back to lows, but that's not what we did today. I should, yeah, show you the 4 hour real quick. Like I explained last video, we've been invalidating these bearish 4 hour for value gaps, and then we created one right here, a bullish one. So I was looking at this, and then I was also looking at all those three things: the daily gap, this 4 hour gap, and then this hourly bearish gap that we made um, during London. Like, I'm not gonna have it marked out, but yeah, bearish gap, bullish gap right here, 4 hour. But higher time frames hold higher power, so I was more trusting of this 4 hour than I was of that 1 hour bearish gap, right? And honestly, the way market was set up, all these draws on liquidity, and respecting this 4 hour, it was very bullish day for me. Honestly, I'm surprised like I didn't hit full TP, bro. But let me get into it. So 8:30 market opens, takes out these draws on liquidity, sell side draws. Like, this is really perfect manipulation from the market. Not gonna lie, takes out these lows, um, takes out this like swing high, and then it retraces, it like consolidates a little bit. Especially after I had made this pretty prominent. Sorry. After I had made this prominent 5 minute gap. But yeah, so let's go down to 1 minute. Oh shit, we're doing the 1 month. We have price reaches into it, rejecting off this bearish gap that was made. But obviously, I'm not gonna respect this little ass 1 minute gap over a bullish 4 hour gap. So I'm expecting this to get inversed, and it does. And I wanted to get in right here, but honestly, I was not trusting the fact that it made this equal lows right here, and then it did not fill the 50% mark of that 5 minute gap. So I don't know. I felt uneasy about taking that. So usually, if I feel uneasy, I just won't take it at all. Like, I want to feel pretty confident about it. Um, it would have been something like this, targeting this, and I mean it would have hit, but would have been very sketchy. I probably would have gotten out and stopped profit, because look how close I was to hitting my TP. Like, if I'm being honest, I would have definitely moved my stop loss up. But I'm not even mad about it, because look at that drawdown. Like, that shit is disgusting. 276 ticks of drawdown. Like, it's fucking insane. I'm not doing that. Anyways, so price disrespects his 1 minute gap. Um, obviously respects this 5 minute gap. Boom. Make this 1 minute gap. Make this 5 minute gap. And honestly, this is probably where I fucked up. It made this 1 minute gap and it's respecting it, right? Price respects it, expands above. But I don't know. I just wasn't expecting price to come back down here. What I should have done though was put my stops below here. Then this would have been a fucking banger of a trade. But you make mistakes, honestly, just like this a really bad mistake for me because this would have saved my whole trade. But I probably would have gone break even. Actually, no, I wouldn't have gone break even. I didn't have any target. My break even point would have been right here. But this high is not even my. Oh fuck! Holy shit! I got fucking attacked. The swing point wasn't gonna be my actual target. I was just targeting like, cause it's a Monday, so I'm not expecting a lot about the city. So this was really my target right here. This Asia high. Let me see. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, there was a SMT right here. Cause my fucking god, bro. There was a fucking SMT right here. ES took out these highs. The Asia high, right? This is the Asia high on NQ. So SMT made at this right here. I low-key should have just gotten out. Oh no. See, but this good thing about trade recaps, like I'm looking at what I did wrong in the morning. I'm gonna use this next time I do not next time I take a similar trade. No, just put stops on that 5 minute gap, especially when they're this close. Like honestly, should have seen that 5 minute bullish gap, but it is what it is. What was I talking about? What was I yapping about? Yeah, whenever I seen that SMT, probably should have gotten out. Just taking this and then waited to see if it was gonna hit this. And honestly, bro, I should have put a fucking limit order right here. Right at this low, because worst case scenario, let me see. No, not even here. I probably should have put it like literally at the OT, because if this is going to hit, yeah. Literally, this would have been perfect limited entry. Let me see how it lines up with the OT. I'll do it from this. Yeah, it would have been perfect. Was that 1586 to the tick? Oh my fuck me. Damn. Really could have done this level and then done like a 5 point stop loss or some shit. Well, realistically, I'm not doing a 5 point. I'm doing like more like a 10 point, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't want to fucking. I should have honestly traded this shit. I was like, fuck it. It's a Monday. If it goes this way, it's probably not gonna come back up. It definitely did. Sorry, this is also my OTE fib if y'all want to copy it. OTE meaning optimal trade entry. So optimal would be anything below the 0.5. Because real quick, oh shit, my screen froze. Real quick, I want to explain like premiums. So obviously, whenever you make a range on a bullish scenario, anything below the 0.5 is discounted price. You know, like if you want the markets to go higher, you want to buy in a discount. You only want to ever buy in a premium if you want price to keep going lower. You know, so realistically, this was very this could have been a very green day for me. I honestly just should have made my draw a little bit bigger and should have made my TP a little bit higher. But I think it just kind of stemmed from the fact that I've gotten burnt on No News Mondays a good amount before. So I kind of just didn't have the confidence. But I mean, looking back at it right now, biggest thing about the market is you got to react. So if there's a lot of volatility on the No News Monday, you just got to react to it. And I failed to do that, paid the price. Like I said, green or I don't think I said this in this video, but green day is always gonna be better than a red day, so I'm not too mad about it. But seeing this, bro, I mean, this shit really could have been what? Well, what if I hit that 0.5? Yeah, I would have hit that 0.586 range. We could do a 10-point stop. Boom, 10 RR right there, and it would have been a nice entry because we have this 5 minute. We have the whole overall retracement is into a discounted range, so it would have been a nice buy. Not gonna lie, would have gotten 0.586% discount. Yeah, I mean, this is why I'm doing these trade recaps though. Like, I myself want to improve as a trader. I am not perfect by any means, but this is the shit that I like. Like, you have to, if you want to be a better trader, you have to eventually hop onto the real markets, bro. Because you're gonna see how price moves, and you're gonna start building this discretion, and it's just gonna make you overall a better trader. Because you can't just have a system. You can't just have a system and be a good trader. You have to have a good system. You have to have a good mentality. You have to have market experience, bro. I'm telling you, like, having market experience is key. Like, you'll see how price actually moves and how it reacts to like levels and shit like that. Be so fire. But anyways, bro, I think this is it for my trade recap. I hope you guys got a lot out of this. I bring up a lot of concepts, so you guys can look up like look up themes on discounted ranges, premium ranges. You guys can look up SMTs. SMTs are a big part of my trading. ICT in general, like ICT's 2021 mentorship is pretty good starting point. And then you guys can also get into levels and shit like that. But me personally, I'm barely like, this is OTE. I feel like every trader should have this. It's a good way to see where's the discounted price. I know people use the GAN box, which I can show you right now. Let me see how I get out of here. Where's it at? GAN box. What the fuck? Where's the GAN box? Not done. Oh, right here. Yeah. Basically, all this shit is. See? This is the high of the range, low of the range. Anything below 0.5, good long price. Hit the 0.5 of this range, literally 0.586 to be exact. Long did. Like I said, I'm gonna wrap this up. Should have been a win, but I'm not mad. Overall, good trading day. Type of days that make you better. I hope you guys are getting better, especially if you're trading. And if you watch this, thank you, bro. Leave a like. Keep supporting. I'm gonna keep dropping trade recaps because not only is this helpful for just me and you, like, no, not only is this just helpful for you, but this is really helpful for me. I get to speak. I get to improve, like, I get to improve my speech and really go over my trades like in depth. So I'm gonna keep posting these videos. You guys just keep tuning in. See ya.